Today we will see on which type of array constraint can apply. So here I am declare a class A. Inside that I am taking a rand type int um, fixed array. X is a fixed array because I declare the size here only. So constraint C1 is not required for setting the size. Constraint C2 will apply um, for uh, set the value for the every position x of I. Here I am declaring handle here object, and I am randomizing it 10 times and printing the array x with percentage %p. So see the output. So you can see the size of every iteration is 10, and it is randomizing the value. And if we will make it dynamic array, so we have to set the array size. For that I am writing a constant C1 in that x dot size should be between 11 to 15, and every position value should be 0 to 100, and again run. So you can see value is between 0 to 100 and size is between 11 to 15. Here 2 to 4 to 6 to 8 to 10 and 11. Here it is 11. Here it is 2 to 4 to 6 to 8 to 10 to 12 to 14 1 15, like that. Size is between 11 to 15 and value is between 0 to 100. Now make it Q and again run it. On Q also you can apply the constraint, and if we make it associative array, and again run it. So if it is int type, it will assign the continuous location and assign the value from 0 to 100. Here it is, you can see first location is 0 1 2 3, like that. But if index will be string type, and if I want to randomize it, then it will throw an error. This dot x dot size is not allowed. So we can't randomize it if the index type is string in associative array. I think you like this video. If you like, hit a like button. We will meet in next video. Thank you.